Hello folks. Ayan, pawis na po. Pawis ako na walang daylan. At parang sumisikip yung dibdib ko. I'm thinking to go to the hospital, folks. I'm strong, but I feel something different right now. Yeah. It looks like I'm strong. Pinagpapawisan ako na nanghihina na masakit yung dibdib ko. We're thinking to go to the hospital now, folks. Look, basang-basa ako sa pawis.
Namin muna nga ito kahit kalahati.
Hey, bebe.
Energy drink.
My wife is already getting nervous. Drinking energy drink. I hope this will help. Basta bigla akong nanghina. At grabe ang pawis. I don't know if we will go to the hospital or we'll just observe. Eto, I'm trying this. Yung mainit daw, langat-langatin mo with calamansi tsaka asin. I'm already doing this for almost 30 minutes. Grabe. I'm not scared. I'm strong. Yeah. Okay. This is not a prank. Okay. Yes. This is not a prank, people. Basang-basa ako sa pawis. Tapos I feel very weak. Yes. I don't know if we will go to the hospital or not. Oh my goodness. Bye for now, folks. Update you later. I'm just trying this what I call this, folks?
Inhaling.
First aid home first aid treatment in case you feel something different. And right now I'm really feeling very weak. And so pawis na pawis, yeah. And grabe pawis ko.
Tatanggapin ba tayo sa probinsya?
Oh, grabe. I feel very weak and parang naninigip yung dibdib ko. Ewan ko kung nasobrang ako na sa kain. Pero this is the first time I feel this strange feeling, folks. Weak and masikip yung dibdib. At saka grabe yung pawis ko, para akong bagong ligo. If these feelings remain the same after a few minutes, I think we better go to the hospital. This is the first time I feel this kind of strange feeling. After that, I watch this kind of treatment. If you feel your if you feel like you're infected. Ito yun, boiled water with calamansi and salt water. Takloban mo mga ako. Yes. So, and this what I'm absorbing the hot smoke. Yeah. See? I hope I get one with this. Grabe. Sobrang ko lang ata kain. Yeah. Folks. Sarada. Look. Tingnan mo sa kwarto. My wife is already getting nervous. She don't know that this is a prank. It's not. This is not a prank, folks. Yeah. Hello, folks. Ito, pawis na pawis ako. Tapos nanghihina. So, ngayon ko kung nasobrang ko lang ng kain. Pero kakaiba yung nararamdaman ko. So, my wife is very worried. Gagawin ko parang sasalaksakin ko yun para lumabas yung ibang kinain ko. Baka nasobrahan lang. Okay. What's this, folks? Alam lumalabas. Okay.
Ano ba yung tumahay ka?
Hindi. Love you, boy. They're still here. Hindi pa kami nagpupunta. My wife already feels teary over there. So worried, folks.
Magpakatatag. Ito na lang ang gagawin ng DJ at kanyang kapatid sa